Hello, this is Mike, NoStressMike.com. I'm in Mexico and I'm living with some healers, natural healers. And one thing about natural healing is all different kinds of ways of doing it. But some of the things that I've been learning is I normally have warm water in the morning when I get up. But what they've been doing is putting lemon in the water. And there are lemons down here that look kind of like limes, but anyway, we put them in the water. We squeeze out the juice, put them in the water, and the outside part we put in the water, and they use it to wash the dishes. The citric acid is what they use to wash the dishes. And this is what that is. And then, like I say, they wash their fruit, vegetables, and stuff like that. They wash it with that. But I felt kind of silly because I should have known better. What happens when I was in Guatemala, when I lived in Guatemala, they used the skin of fruit using the citric acid to wash your hands. So we eat an orange or something like that. You put the skins in a plastic bag or something like that, and then when you want to wash your hands, you just use the citric acid in the skin. So, and here they put it in the water. So it was kind of unique for me. So, like I say, I never even thought about it, but it makes sense. But anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.